All right, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be taking a look at ALGORAND, okay, ticker symbol ALGO. And right now we're looking at the daily chart. We're looking at some of the current valid supply and demand zones, okay? Right now, a supply zone is an area where there is an imbalance in the market of sell orders, okay? Meaning there's more supply in the market than demand, and this supply will push the price lower into a demand zone where you start to see consolidation, you start to see buyers step in, and these are just not every demand zone is valid. Okay. You always have to take market context into things, right? Well, we're definitely in a bear market. We're in a market where, there's a supply imbalance in general in the market, right? So it's not a market necessarily where every time we dip into a demand zone, there's strong demand pushing the price higher, right? So that's what we're looking at right now. Okay. We come down, we dipped into this demand zone here, we started to see some consolidation and we are breaking below it. Okay. So, below this level here, right around 0.377. Okay. We are going to head lower and look to head towards this 0.22 level. Okay. That is our next demand zone. Previously in the past where we have, dipped down below and we've come in and, buyers have stepped in on the market. Okay. So, right around from 0.22, okay, down to 0.09 is going to be our demand zone right there. All right. Now, of course, that does offer a really big drop. Okay. If it does fall that far from where it's at, okay, that's another 70-80% drop. So I'm not trying to scare everyone and say that this thing is for sure going to go down 70 to 80% more than what it already has. But what I am saying is that, you look here at the price action, you look at the data that you have, okay, the candlesticks, and you can see here, we've just made a violent move down. Okay. We've just been coming down. And this was a valid demand zone previously, okay, where buyers were stepping in and driving the price back higher. Okay. But, no buyers were present. We actually, a couple where they did step in and try to send the price up higher and rally, but eventually we came back through and, the buyers are absent in the market. Okay. So really lots of, sell orders, lots of supply imbalance is what we're looking at. Okay. We're having sharp moves. And that's what you're going to see. Okay. You're going to see the price action go from these areas of interest, right? So, if you want to trade this, if you want to invest in this and things like that, this is one way to help you guys. Okay. It's not financial advice. I'm not suggesting anyone to buy Algorand or anything like that, but just trying to give you guys some good technical analysis. Okay. So, you can come to these areas and you can look, all right, well, if we dip through here, right, and we fall through this demand zone, this is what I like to call the dead zone, the black area. Okay. This is where you don't want to enter, any positions. Because it's really just going to go, you don't know where it's going to do. Okay. It could dip down and come back up into here. It could fall all the way down, right? Or we could just come back up. So, or just trade sideways in between here. So that's why I chart these up. That's why I show these. And that's why they're very well respected. Okay. This is, you come in here, buyer stepping in, set a stop loss below there, and you get stopped out. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.